Hi, we received this space heater as a gift from GiveBest so that we could show you how absolutely easy this is to install on a wall. We installed it on our upstairs bathroom, which gets really chilly. So this comes with a guide. So it's not the type of space heater that you're going to have as a freestanding space heater. It's the installation type. It does come with this guide, which has step-by-step instructions guiding you along the way to make it really, really easy. That bright yellow-green part at the top of the paper, that's a level. And so it makes it just really easy to make sure that you're installing it absolutely correctly. And so he's just kind of adjusting the space heater exactly where he wants it. And then once he decides exactly where he wants it, then he just adjusts that paper guide to make sure that he's putting it right exactly in the correct spot. So it's got those two holes at the top, and those are his guide for drilling the holes into the wall, 1 and 2. And then the next step will be placing the plastic anchors. So what he'll do is he'll remove that paper guide so that he can put the plastic anchors there. He's taking a minute to just kind of widen those holes just a little bit that he drilled. And then now he's going to tap in those plastic anchors. And then the next step will be to put in the screws. So he's just going to use a screwdriver to screw the screws into those plastic anchors so that it's nice and secure when you're hanging the space heater. So putting the screws in, and then the next step is the space heater. And you pop it on the screws and it just hangs there. Okay, here we go. We've got it installed in the bathroom. And as you can see, we also used this cord keeper to tuck away that ugly black cord that was in the way as well. So it does come with the remote. It has a lot of really great features and we highly recommend it. Thanks.